Ayibo lalelani nginitshela ama-DNA tests, they are back and they are negative, and now somebody who has been attached to umntwana now akazi ukuthi ayenze kanjani, because now social workers are coming to get the baby. Now kuyi-wishy-wishy nje i-situation elaphaya, and I knew for a fact ukuthi lo mntana lo akusumntana kasakhile. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani, abusheni molweni, ninjani? Yibukele hingagwina. So namuhla kana ngona kwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma kore uMartha now is crying and ukhalela indaba kaSindi ukuthi uSindi wabulawa. And then lo muntu obulela uSindi, it's someone that she's very close to, someone that she loves, someone that she wants to be with. And then how do we deal with the situation we're in? It's the man that you love, the man that is how do we deal with that? Now he was telling this to Umamik. I feel like now she just dropped the ball. Since when Umartha speaks to Umamik, that for me did not make sense. But anyway, she was saying it, and then Umartha said, you know what, sometimes you just need to swallow your pride and go back and say as long as it's into. But then it's like Umartha is not about that life, because remember, it has not been revealed to us properly ukuthi kahle kahle uSindi umntana kaMartha, and uMartha is actually hiding this matter. On the other hand, a social worker is coming, and then uPetunia is crying. UThandiswa ubiza umhlangano ukuthi lalelani ngathi sengiyajayela ke la, I'm the wife, I'm the legal wife, and it's so be it. And then uPetunia uthi uyacela ukuthi lo mntana asim-adopte, because we don't know how safe the child is going to be, and besides she has fallen in love with the child, so she just thinks it's fair ukuthi they must just adopt the child, just to make sure the child is protected and have a good life. On the other hand, again, a salon koni celebration for Usiza, since everyone else decided that they are not going to be talking on the memorial service that was actually called by Virginia, but a celebration at the salon was done. And then Umpendulo still has this thing yoguti una dikitela that he wants to find Mr. Mayor gunned down. And then now a problem with now, I don't know how he's going to do it, but which means that is what he's going to use ukuthola Mr. Mayor. But then the problem is Upendulo nje, he's too fast kuyo yonke into, and I think uzozisola umfana wami uzo